Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to search filters on a TikTok. So first thing that you will do is simply open up your TikTok application. From here guys, just simply tap on the search icon on the top right corner of the screen. And from here, just simply search for the filter that you like. So let's say I'm going to go for a zoom filter. So guys, from here, you'll be able to see here effects, and when you tap on the see more, you'll be able to see multiple effects that you can choose from. So from here, let's say I'm gonna choose the first one, face zoom, and from here, guys, as you can see, we will be able to use that a filter, and there you go. That's how to search filters. It's just simply type in a keyword, and you'll be able to see the effects category over here. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.